Gabi rin.
And I'm feeling extra fine, helping us all of the time.
O, ikaw din.
When I'm sick,
Ay,
the
alam mo,
doctor is
sabi ng
a
kamay, lagot.
friend of mine. The doctor is a friend of mine.
Ikaw.
Of mine.
Huwag
I like to
mo
hear her
yun, o.
even tick, tick, tick. If you march it, even
Tick, tick, tick daw.
when the doctor flew and I all died, sometimes I put the sticker. And I'm feeling extra fine, helping us all of the time. But when I'm sick, the doctor will
Ayan.
cause the doctor is a friend of mine. The doctor is a friend of mine. Yes, the doctor is a friend of mine.
La, 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 la.
Barney, do you think Bingo will get a sticker from the
Ay, huwag yan, may ipis yan. Susunod sa damit mo.
Like other things.
Like what?
Oh, well, they like yummy dog treats. Oh, and
Dog,
Twinkie
upuin mo
toys.
doon.
And Biggie
Doon, sa ato.
Mel, dito ka, oh. Doon ka kay Bear.
I just thought of something.
Ilagay mo yung bola doon sa
What
lupin
big
mo.
ball.
Well, some of them probably do.
Oh, man. What a
Ayun,
big
tawag ka ng aso namin.
ball. I don't want to pick up a hole and leave my baseball in there. You know, Bingo did have dirty balls earlier.
Ang galing! Yan, Yaren! Ang galing naman din, ay balik! Ang galing naman ni si Will. Ah! Lagay, lagay!
Will come with us.
Ang galing! Dito pala si ate, ayun, may aso ulit. Ang ganda ng aso.
I
Wala.
wonder where BJ went to. He's here somewhere. Oh, hello, Miss Duffy. How are you today?
Barney, I know that voice anywhere.
Oh, and these are my friends. Tammy,
Hi.
Beth,
Beautiful eyes.
and Tony.
Children, isn't this a beautiful day to be in the park? I hear so many birds singing, and the flowers smell just wonderful.
They sure do.
Beautiful eyes.
Thank you for asking, Tammy, but it's really better.
Beautiful eyes mo na, Emel.
Kelly is my guide dog,
Oh,
and
malay,
right
isa.
now she's working.
What's a guide dog?
It's a dog that helps people who can't see like me.
Oh,
You can't
logo.